How you guys doing? I hope you're well. Welcome to my channel. In case this is your first time, I'm Mercy and I make content about lifestyle of a stay-at-home mama. But today we are doing an unboxing of my new vacuum cleaner. I just acquired it today and I decided why not just unbox it with you guys. So I've been a bit skeptical on buying a vacuum cleaner because I really don't know how many token or units it's going to use, and I think electricity is quite expensive. So I was like, no, I'll just be sweeping. But then I realized this carpet is quite hard to sweep, and even if you do, there's some small particles like food particles, like just small particles that remain behind. And let me tell you guys, my baby, you'll just find him lying on the floor on the carpet, picking those pieces and just eating. Like now I can see one. This is a piece of rice. He just picks and eats. He picks and eats. And I was supposed to like start picking them myself, like he does. And so it's a lot of work. It's boring, and of course I miss some. And so I realized, you know what, let me just get a vacuum cleaner to just vacuum everything, you know. And initially I wanted to get the wet and dry vacuum, but as I was going through some YouTube videos and the reviews that I got, I realized it has a very big like cylinder, and for me, honestly, I don't have storage for like large appliances or whatever. Like I just don't want something that is occupying my space, kabisa. So I opted for this one, and I don't know how big it is. We are going to find out together, but I just hope it is okay. I can see it's not so big compared to the other one, so I just hope it doesn't occupy a lot of space, and it actually serves me well. So we're just going to open and then just see how it looks. Then later on, because right now it's at night, maybe tomorrow I'll do like a tutorial on how to use it and my review how it is. So it is from Ramtons. I think I found myself just always navigating between Ramtons and Von. Like, those are like my go-to brands somehow. So it's a cyclonic system and it's bagless. So let's do this. Let's see how it looks. So we snip open. Oh, so this is the first thing. Quite large actually. Don't expect me to know what it is. It's my first time ever. So we will also find out what this is with time. I'm sure there's a manual. Okay, we have another pipe here. Okay, metallic. So I'm gonna find out more about that. And then yeah. Oh, there's also something else. What do I see? This is like a little brush. Hope you can see clearly. My hair is so quick to remove. I'm looking for a manual. Oh my goodness, don't tell me this. There's no manual. So I guess this is the one that will be handling like posting the dust and the dirt. And here there's a cord to connect to power. So okay, babe. So it has a pretty long, and I think it can, oh, that's the end. So it's quite long, and I think I love the size. It's not heavy. And yeah, I think I love it. This won't be a problem to store. But now I don't know where we dropped the manual, so I'm gonna learn how to use it, and then we're gonna do a tutorial like in the next clip. And then I'll tell you my reviews, including the amount of electricity it actually consumes. Yeah, so let me see you in the next clip. When I think out loud, there's a way.